Salton Sea, California's accidental ocean. In the burning desert of Southern California lies a body of water that was never meant to exist. In 1905, engineers tried to divert the Colorado River to irrigate farmland. The canals failed. For nearly 2 years, the river poured uncontrolled into a dry basin known as the Salton Sink. When the breach was finally sealed, a vast inland sea remained. The Salton Sea was born by mistake. By the 1950s, it became a miracle in the desert. Resorts lined the shore. Speedboats cut across blue water. Yacht clubs opened. Frank Sinatra, the Beach Boys, and Hollywood royalty came to party beside a sea that shouldn't have existed. They called it the Salton Riviera. But the sea had no natural outlet. Water flowed in. Nothing flowed out. Decades passed. Fertiliser, pesticides, and farm runoff drained into the lake. The water slowly turned saltier than the ocean. Fish began to die. Then millions died. Their bones crushed into white dust along the shore. As the water receded, the exposed lakebed released toxic particles into the air. Locals began reporting nosebleeds, asthma, and burning lungs. Resorts were abandoned. Homes were left to rot. What was once paradise became a poisoned coastline. Today, a small number of people still live here. Among decaying trailers and empty marinas, they breathe air laced with agricultural chemicals and drying toxins. Some stay because they have nowhere else to go. Others because this broken place feels like the last frontier. Yet life still clings on. The Salton Sea is one of the most important wildlife refuges in North America. Over 400 species of birds rely on it as a critical stopover on the Pacific Flyway. As other wetlands vanish, this dying sea has become their final sanctuary. Now, restoration projects attempt to slow the collapse. New wetlands, dust suppression, water transfer plans. A race against time to save both human and animal life. The Salton Sea was created by accident. And it may disappear the same way. Leaving behind a silent shoreline of bones, rust, and unanswered questions.